Math 4, Quarter 2, Week 4, Matgh Curriculum. For the learning competencies and objectives, perform 2 or more different operations by applying the MDAS rules. Represent situations involving one or more of the 4 operations using a number sentence. For the content, order of operations applying the MDAS rules. For day 1. For the short review, complete the following illustration. The addition and subtraction facts. Same as well with the multiplication and division facts. For the activity 1, write the missing number so that the addition sentence is correct. 10 plus, close and open parenthesis, 4 plus blank equals 22, equals, close and open parenthesis, 10 plus 4 plus blank. For the second set of numbers, blank plus, close and open parenthesis, 8 plus 7 equals 18, equals, close and open parenthesis, blank plus 8 plus 7. Next, 12 plus, close and open parenthesis, blank plus 6 equals 33 is equal to, close and open parenthesis, 12 plus blank plus 6. Here are the guide questions. How did you find the missing numbers so that the addition sentence is correct? How did you check if your answer is correct? For activity number 2, write the missing number so that the multiplication sentence is correct. 4 times, close and open parenthesis, 2 times blank equals 40 is equal to, close and open parenthesis, 4 times 2 times blank. Next, blank times 6 times 3 equals 54 is equal to, close and open parenthesis, times 6 times 3. And for the third, 4 times close and open parenthesis, blank times 3 equals 60 is equal to, close and open parenthesis, 4 times blank times 3. For the guide questions, how did you find the missing numbers so that the addition sentence is correct? How did you check if your answer is correct? For activity number 3, write the missing number so that the number sentence is correct. 2 times, close and open parenthesis, 3 plus blank equals 14 is equal to, 2 times 3 plus 2 times blank. Next, 5 times, close and open parenthesis, plus 3 equals 25 is equal to 5 times blank plus 5 times 3. Next, blank times, close and open parenthesis, 2 plus 5 is equal to 56 and is equal to blank times 2 plus blank times 5. For the guide questions, how did you find the missing numbers so that the addition sentence is correct? How did you check if your answer is correct? Order of operations is a set of rules used in mathematics to determine the sequence in which operations should be performed. For the 4 fundamental operations, MDAS is used to abbreviate the order of operations. For the subtopic 1, the order of operations performing 2 operations at a time. As rule stands for addition and subtraction rule. The rule states that you should perform addition or subtraction whichever comes first, from left to right. MD rule stands for multiplication and division rule. The rule states that you should perform multiplication or division whichever comes first, from left to right. Work example. Example 1. What is the value of 20 minus 8 plus 13? Solution. Start from left to right and continue from left to right. We will going to solve first 20 minus 8 equals 12. And we will going to add 13. So 12 plus 13 equals 25. So the answer is 25. What is the value of 15 plus 27 minus 2 minus 10 plus 17? So we will going to start from left to right. Solution. 15 plus 27 minus 2 minus 10 plus 17. 15 plus 27 equals 42. Minus 2 minus 10 plus 17. 42 minus 2 equals 40. Minus 10 plus 17. 40 minus 10 equals 30 plus 17. So the answer is 47. Example 3. Arthur has 15 pieces of colored paper. Ben borrowed 2 colored papers from Arthur, while Catherine borrowed 5, and Dave borrowed 6. Ellie gave Arthur 8 colored papers. How many colored papers does Arthur have now? Solution. The number sentence will be 15 minus 2 minus 5 minus 6 plus 8. 15 minus 2 equals 13. 13 minus 5 minus 6 plus 8. 13 minus 5 equals 8. Minus 6 plus 8. 8 minus 6 equals 2. 2 plus 8 equals 10. So the answer is Arthur has 10 colored papers. For example number 4, what is the value of 30 divided by 6 times 3? Solution. 30 divided by 6 times 3. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. So 5 times 3 then, the answer is 15. Example number 5. Determine the value of 22 times 3 divided by 2 divided by 11. Answer. 22 times 3 divided by 2 divided by 11. 22 times 3 equals 66 divided by 2 divided by 11. 66 divided by 2 equals 33 divided by 11. So the correct answer is 3. Mrs. Cruz has 30 pupils. She grouped the class into 3 groups. Each pupil in a group gets 2 pencils. How many pencils were received by one group? Solution. The number sentence is 30 divided by 3 times 2. 30 divided by 3 times 2. 30 divided by 3 equals 10 times 2. Thus, 10 times 2 equals 20. Therefore, the answer is there are 20 pencils in one group. For day 2, determine the value of the following. Set 1. Number 1, 35 minus 12 minus 8 plus 17. 2. 13 plus 9 minus 15 plus 23. 3. 45 minus 32 minus 8. Number 4. 16 plus 21 minus 9. Number 5. 9 plus 9 minus 9 minus 9. For set number 2. Number 1. 5 times 3 times 4 divided by 2. 2. 108 divided by 9 divided by 3 times 6. Number 3. 18 times 3 divided by 9. Number 4. 9 divided by 9 times 12 divided by 4. Number 5. 10 divided by 10 times 10 times 10. For letter B, determine the missing number so that the number sentence is correct. For set 1, number 1, 16 minus blank plus 23 equals 35. 2. 32 minus 24 minus blank plus 19 equals 24. 3. Blank minus 18 plus 9 minus 10 equals 8. 4. 34 plus 15 minus blank equals 40. 5. 8 minus 5 plus blank minus 14 equals 11. For set 2, number 1, 7 times blank divided by 2 equals 21. 2. 15 divided by blank times 2 equals 10. Number 3, 60 divided by 3 divided by blank equals 5. Number 4, 5 times 5 divided by blank divided by 5 equals 1. And number 5, 4 times blank divided by 2 equals 10. For the learner's takeaways, guide question. In solving a series of operations, in what order do you perform addition and subtraction, multiplication, and division? We have for day 3. Order of operations performing 3 or more operations using the MDAS rules. MDAS rule stands for multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction rule. The rule states that you should perform first multiplication and division in the order in which they occur, followed by addition or subtraction, whichever comes first, from left to right. Example, what is the value of 79 minus 12 times 14? Solution, 79 minus 12 times 4. So we will going to solve first 12 times 4. 12 times 4 equals 48. Thus, 79 minus 48 equals 31. Next, what is the value of 52 minus 8 times 5 divided by 4 plus 9? For the solution, we have 52 minus 8 times 5 divided by 4 plus 9. We will going to solve first the multiplication. Thus, 52 minus 40 divided by 4 plus 9. 52 minus 10 plus 9. 42 plus 9 is equal to 51. The correct answer is 51. Next, what is the value of 60 times 2 plus 5 minus 3 plus 8 times 6 minus 1? Solution, 60 times 2 plus 5 minus 3 plus 8 times 6 minus 1. We will going to solve first 60 times 2 and 8 times 6. Thus, 120 plus 5 minus 3 plus 48 less 1. So we will going to solve next the 120 plus 5, which is 125 minus 3 plus 48 minus 1. 125 minus 3 is 122 plus 48 minus 1. 122 plus 48 is 170 minus 1. So the correct answer is 169. For the lesson activity, determine the value of the following. Number 1, 6 plus 42 divided by 2 minus 15. 2, 5 plus 36 divided by 2 times 3 minus 4. 3, 63 divided by 7 times 3 minus 4. Number 4, 25 times 2 minus 42 divided by 6 plus 18. Number 5, 36 minus 10 times 2 divided by 5 minus 11. So here are the correct answers for part A. Number 1, 12, 2, 55, 3, 23, 4, 61, and number 5, 21. Moving on with letter B. Determine the missing number so that the number sentence is correct. So here are the correct answers. For number 1, we have 7, 2, 50, 3, 8, 4, 3, and number 5, 2. For learners' takeaways, Harry and Hermione were given the same problem. They are to determine the value of 6 plus 4 times 2 divided by 2 minus 1. Harry's solution, 6 plus 4 times 2 divided by 2 minus 1. 10 times 2 divided by 2 minus 1. 20 divided by 2 minus 1. 10 minus 1 equals 9. For Hermione's solution, 6 plus 4 times 2 divided by 2 minus 1. 6 plus 8 divided by 2 minus 1. 6 plus 4 minus 1. 10 minus 1 equals 9. Who got the correct answer and correct solution? Why? For day 4, reflection on learning. In performing operations, I should look first for blank and blank operations. I should perform multiplication and division from blank to blank. After performing multiplication and division, I can now blank or blank from left to right. For the formative assessment, determine the value of the following number sentence. Here are the correct answers. For part A, we have number 1, 13, 2, 31, 3, 4, number 4, 8, and number 5, 12. For letter B, determine the missing number so that the number sentence is correct. And for letter C, write greater than, less than, or equal to on the blank space to compare the two numerical expressions. So here are the correct answers. For number 6, 15, number 7, 4, number 8, 4. For part C, number 9 is greater than, and number 10 is greater than. So here are the rubrics. Each item is worth 2 points. We have 2 points, 1 point, and no point. For part A, correct symbol. 1 point solution, use the pointing system below. We have 2 points, 1 point, and 0 point. Overall, total is 15 points. For part B, use the pointing system below. We have item, solution 1, solution 2, and solution 3. For worksheet, write greater than or less than or equal to on the circle to compare the values on the left and right sides. Write your solution in the space provided. Next, items. For letter D, worksheet, check which solution is correct on the circle. We have solution 1, solution 2, and solution 3.